Have you ever considered that you could earn up to $675 per day by typing names online? I mean, how awesome is that? Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online? Do you feel like you've tried everything and nothing seems to work? Well, what if we told you that you could earn $250 just by typing names? Yes, you heard that right. And the best part is, it's super easy. Introducing talentdesire.com, the website that's changing the game when it comes to making money online. All you have to do is type names and you'll get paid. It's that simple. And the best part, you can do it from anywhere, at any time. So, whether you're a stay-at-home parent or a college student looking to make some extra cash, talentdesire.com has got you covered. Don't just take our word for it. Check out this happy customer who just earned $250 by typing names on talentdesire.com. It's that easy. So, how does it work? Explore jobs. Select an online job from home and apply for free from all over the world. Get hired. With Talent Desire, you can work at home and tap into a global network of work. Start work. We makes it easy to connect you with popular employers and begin doing work from home. Collect earnings. Choose a payment method that works best for you, from PayPal to wire transfer and more. Well, all you have to do is sign up on talentdesire.com and start typing names. Pay close attention to this rate per, which means how much money you can get paid for word that you type. It'll be 5 cents in US dollars, and one page normally contains roughly 300 words. This Type the Name project right here is page 1. Page 2. For example, you can get paid simply by entering names on each of these pages. Now let me show you this link where you may earn 15 for writing 300 words. The more names you type, the more money you'll earn. It's really that simple. And if you're worried about your typing speed, don't be. TalentDesire.com doesn't require you to be a fast typist. As long as you can type accurately, you're good to go. Plus, TalentDesire.com sends you notifications when there are new names to type, so you'll never miss an opportunity to earn money. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to talentdesire.com and start typing names today. You could be the next person to earn $250 just by typing names. TalentDesire.com, the easiest way to make money online. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.